Hello, and welcome to North Clackamas School District Science Team. My name is Megan Sternberg, and I am the K-12 Science Instructional Coach for the district in the Teaching and Learning and Professional Development Department. I'm just going to show you a couple of resources to help you get started in teaching your middle school science course. So first of all, we do have consistent expectations across the district for each of our 3 science courses in our 4 middle schools. We have Science 6, Science 7, and Science 8. And you can see here just the general topics that you would be teaching. In order to access the curriculum guide for your specific course, you will need to go to our district website. Once you are at the district website, you will then need to sign in as a staff in order to access protected materials. So click that staff link, and then you will log in with your username and password that you use for all other district resources. Once you are logged in as a staff, you will scroll down to departments and find the Teaching and Learning tab. You will then open our Teaching and Learning web page and scroll down to Middle School Teacher Resources and click on Science Resources. Here you will see all 3 of our curriculum guides as well as a few additional resources, but let's just explore one of the curriculum guides. So I'm going to open up Science 7. And here you will see that we have the 3 units that you will be teaching during this course and about how long each unit should be taught. So we have chemical interactions, earth history, and ecology. And then if you scroll down, you'll get more specific information for each unit. So for example, here for chemical interactions, you'll have an anchoring phenomena to start your unit. This comes directly out of our adopted curriculum. Then an essential question, again, to give you the context and focus for that unit. There'll be 1 or more priority standards in terms of performance expectations, science and engineering practices, and cross-cutting concepts. So this will be our focus. It's really important that we are all teaching the same standards for a particular unit. There will then be the instructional resources that we recommend. In this case, this will be investigations 1 and 2 from FOSS Chemical Interactions. And then we also have assessment success criteria. So these have been determined by our teacher leaders as to what would be evidence of proficiency at the end of this learning sequence. In addition, there are suggestions for how to assess students using the adopted curriculum, iChecks, or some sort of performance task, in this case, a claims evidence reasoning explanation. And then finally, there'll be academic vocabulary for each unit or subunit in terms of what we expect all 7th graders to know across the district. So that's the curriculum guide. To access the actual curriculum, you will need to go to ClassLink. And I'm already logged in here, but you'll log into ClassLink and then go to the online curriculum. You can get to ClassLink from your school website or the district website. In the online curriculum, it's a little confusing because it's not called FOSS, it's called ThinkLink by school specialty. So you'll go to ThinkLink, and that will give you access then to all of our FOSS curriculum. We have FOSS curriculum in elementary as well as middle school, and so you'll see a lot of different units potentially. You won't have any content assigned. You'll have to go to the content course catalog and then find your particular module, in this case, chemical interactions. And then this will give you access to all the online materials, including the investigation guide, which is the teacher guide, and then all of the student-facing materials as well, such as the student ebook and any multimedia or interactive types of activities. If you open up the investigation guide, that's where you will then be able to see the actual lesson plans. So for example, in that first unit, it says to do investigations 1 and 2. So part 1 is mystery mixture, part 2 is mixing substances. And so if you go directly to that, it will then give you all the materials as well as what to do to prepare and guide that investigation. So that's the district adopted curriculum. So hopefully that gave you a good little overview of how to teach middle school science here in North Clackamas School District. I am here to support you as your instructional coach, so please contact me with any needs that you may have, either by email or by phone, and I look forward to working with you throughout this school year. Thank you.